Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom with 7,654 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Lehman TRIKE kit, luggage rack, passenger backrest, upgraded seat, aftermarket exhaust, an oil temp gauge, forward controls, an emergency brake, LED headlight, windshield, shifter peg, and aftermarket front fender. Stylish and maneuverable, the Sportster Custom can suit a wide range of riders, and with the addition of the TRIKE kit, it makes a unique three-wheeled cruiser. Powered by an 883cc V-twin motor, it puts 55 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 565 pounds and has a 28-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.